Hello guys, I am Zlatko and I am dental technician, and today I gonna talk about my new sintering furnace. I got already one, the big one, and now I got the second oven in my lab, and this is from Aidite company, Cameo oven, and the model is AGTS, which means the smaller model. Let's talk about the sintering oven now. So on the side is the power button and control system button. To put him out and on the LED display, the press down, we got a menu, and in the menu got a parameter, factory setting, your own setting, history, sintering curve, and such stuff. The accuracy of constant temperature, it's around 1 degree, and the heating rate up to 220 degrees in the minute. I got here sintering curve from such a program, and also to know is this, that I get 20 free programs for sintering. I got 10 programs for my zirconia, and I got also the speed program. He takes about 2.5 hours, and I got different programs for sintering. For example, it's below 3 unit bridge for 7 hours, and I got for 4 by 6 unit bridge for 10 hours, and I got also 13 hours or 15 hours for more about 7 unit bridge. I got also sintering program for 3D Pro Zirconia, above 7 units bridge and until 6 unit bridge. And I got also my own sintering program. As you can see here, I got for 2.5 until 3 hours. This is for testing different zirconia types. Yeah, I got also few multi-layer, my own sintering programs, and I can say definitely it's very user-friendly. It's easy to use, and I would definitely recommend it to every dental laboratory to get one. So I thank you very much, and see you.